Hey guys, it's Mr. O'Neill, and I wanted to explain the Culture in Me activity to you today. When you read the directions, you're going to find out that you have today and tomorrow to do it. However, I give you till Friday to submit it. Don't procrastinate because you're going to be getting other assignments this week. We're going to continue with economics and government notes. So, me giving you 2 days to do this I would take advantage. I'm asking you to write 2 paragraphs. I consider 4 to 5 sentences to be a paragraph, and I'd like you to describe 2 different elements of your own culture. Um, as always, I want you to use proper nouns, which are specific things, include a picture, and do your best work. Now, these are just minimums. You can always add more. You can always, I don't want you to go less, but I will read every word you write, and I provide an example here where I outline what I'm talking about. I give the specific examples, then I wrap it up, and I talk about a separate element. Then I added some pictures. And when you understand it and you've done it, you will click down here and write your 2 paragraphs there. Make sure I've set it to make your own copy, submit it through Canvas. If you have a question on how to do that, go back to the previous assignments and they'll show you there's a walkthrough for that. Good luck, guys, and do your best work.